it's Michelle with the Erica Diaz Team, and today I'm at 5430 Hidden Horse Way in Groveland. This home sits on just over 5 acres of land and has plenty of space for entertaining. Come check it out. This home is just over 3,600 square feet, has 4 bedrooms with their own private ensuite, plus a flex room that could be great for a 5th bedroom. Check out this open concept kitchen, great for entertaining with quartz countertops and a marble porcelain backsplash. But let's go check out my favorite spot. Check out the double, triple sliders that open this whole side up into the covered lanai that has an outdoor kitchen, a sitting area for entertainment, and a pool suite. Let's go check it out. Check out the 4th bedroom that's considered the pool suite because it sits separate from the main living quarters. This community is zoned for agriculture and allows up to 2 horses. So if you want to schedule your private showing or hear more about this home, reach out to our team today.